We're back for the HostPlus Cup in 2022 Harmony Round to kick things off, and what a clash we're in for at Piggabeen. The Tweed Seagulls up against the Brisbane Tigers. An early four-pointer for the Tigers, crossing in just the second minute through BJ Tamunga. The new recruit was on fire for the Tigers, Tamunga crossing in the 10th minute. First points for Tweed came in the 24th minute. Sefo Fafita crossing. A number of Storm players featured in the Tigers lineup. Nick Meaney was one of them, along with this man, Jaden Nikarima, who scored just before the break. At half-time, the Tigers were in front, 14 points to 4. Scott Galeno crossed for the Seagulls in the 43rd minute as they came roaring back into the contest. Tweed were in again with 18 minutes left in the game. Lee Turner with this four-pointer. The Tigers were trailing by 2. Then with 12 minutes remaining, BJ Tamunga completed his hat-trick with this try, putting the Tigers in front. In the end, it was the Tigers too strong for the Seagulls, winning 20 points to 16. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.